In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue of your Samsung phone's hotspot automatically turning off. This problem can be quite frustrating, especially if you rely on your phone's hotspot for internet connectivity. Luckily, there are a few simple steps you can follow to resolve this issue. To get started, open up the Settings app on your Samsung device. And then tap Connections. After that, tap Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. And then tap Mobile Hotspot. What you want to do next is tap where it says Configure. And then tap Advanced. Now you can tweak your mobile hotspot settings. Just tap where it says Turn off when no devices connected for. As you can see, this setting is set to 20 minutes, which means if there is no active device connected to the mobile hotspot within 20 minutes, it will automatically turn itself off. So if you want to fix your issue, simply don't select any time period, instead, tap and select Never Timeout. Now your mobile hotspot will never turn off automatically. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.